Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster roll sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need a high-quality mayonnaise as your base, fresh lemon juice for brightness, and a selection of herbs to elevate the flavor. Preparing your lobster correctly is also crucial. It should be cooked, chilled, and free of excess moisture. This foundational sauce truly brings out the best in your lobster, making every bite delicious. The heart of any great lobster roll sauce is the mayonnaise. Opt for a full-fat variety. It provides that essential richness and creamy texture we're looking for. Low-fat alternatives just won't deliver the same luxurious mouthfeel and can make your sauce watery. If you're feeling ambitious, making your own mayonnaise from scratch can truly elevate the entire dish with its fresh, vibrant taste.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride fresh. You can find the link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's talk about those crucial flavor enhancers. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is non-negotiable. It provides a zesty brightness that perfectly complements the lobster and cuts through the richness of the mayonnaise. Finely chopped fresh dill or chives introduce a wonderful aromatic element. And don't forget a small pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to perfectly balance all these delicious components. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. Remember to gently fold everything together. You want to coat the lobster without shredding it. After mixing, always taste and adjust your seasonings as needed. Then, the most important step, chill your sauce for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld and develop, resulting in a truly harmonious sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.